This is a tutorial for the PageSpeed report at SoloSEO.com. PageSpeed is an important factor in the ranking algorithm for Google and other search engines. If a site is ranking slowly, then you can be penalized in the rankings and lose spots, especially as compared to your competitors. So it's very important to have a fast loading site and to optimize as much as you can. And there's lots of different suggestions that this report will give you that you can do. So the first thing you'll notice here is this is a very slow loading site, 32 seconds to load. And there's 6 recommendations to speed up the website. An overall grade is given. This one gets a D. And then some other information about what is the makeup of that website. Below are several recommendations, and each of these has a Learn More button that will give some details on how to implement that and what should be done and pages that are affected. The last thing I'll show you here is the page loading timeline. This breaks down in sequential order of all of the different components that were loaded and how much time it took. So you can see this very first call took 15 seconds, which is quite long, and then some of these calls were sequential and or loaded at the same time, but took over 5 seconds each. And this call here was 10 seconds, and so you can see here it's easy to find what is really slowing down your website. Sometimes that's a third-party loading component, or it might be just something on your website. And so you can see lots of details there. And these are all information that you can give to a webmaster if you can't do it yourself, and see if they can help to update your website so you can improve your page speed.